Hello everyone. So to try and get the brown for the Bojack, I used bright gold and a little bit of primary yellow, a little bit of green to that too. And I used black for the hair. For the pink, I did a few drops of titanium white and just one drop of primary magenta. When you're mixing a lighter color, you add more of the lighter color and only a drop or two of the darker color. And for the shirt, I used turquoise blue. For the suit, I used turquoise deep, turquoise blue, and a drop of black. So I added another layer and I used more of the gold in this layer. So his fur, his skin, whatever, it looks more of a golden tone than a brown, but I like it. So I just used black for the detailing. The most important thing for this was to use a detail brush, or no, it was a liner brush, and it was a number 4. For the Hollywood, I used primary cyan, turquoise deep, and a little bit of the gold, and I did 2 layers of it. I wanted to add a palm tree, classic Hollywood. I used emerald green and I think a little bit of yellow, and I did 3 layers. For the background, I just wanted a bright blue sky. I used turquoise blue. And then the second layer, I used turquoise blue with a little bit of white. The final thing I did was line the Hollywood, which I did with the liner brush, and it was a number 4 liner again, and black. And that wraps it up, my friends. Thank you for watching. I kind of did some funky colors. You don't have to abide by these colors. Do realistic or do whatever you want. Subscribe, like the video, check me out on Instagram.